What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on our powder coating oven. We're doing upgrades. We're going to make it a couple feet taller. Let's get it. So we've had some pieces come in from the city that requires an oven bigger than what we've got. So we decided we're going to expand the oven 2 feet taller to make it a total of 7 feet tall so we can fit these pieces in as well as bumpers and such like that. In this video, we're going to make the oven 2 feet taller. We're going to start off right here with taking the top off. Then we're going to cut the pieces for the expansion. We already have the sheeting for the walls right here ready to go. Now let's go ahead and get to taking this roof off. Okay, so now that we got the roof off, we're going to go ahead and cut the studs down that are going to build the frames of the walls that are going on top. Let's go ahead and get to that. We need 8 pieces that are 4 foot long, and we need 12 pieces that are 2 foot long. We're going to get those cut. Okay guys, so this is how the wall is going to be. I have the center measured for our center one. What we have to do is there's this little lip here, so we're going to cut down and straighten this lip out on each side here in the middle.
So that this can just slide right in there.
Then we'll fit it all together. We'll rivet the corners. We'll bring over that piece of metal and we'll make sure that it's nice and square. Then we'll rivet everything so it's straight, put it together. We'll go over it step by step. Let's get it. We're just going to grab these and straighten them out. So they're like that.
Simple, self-explanatory.
Yep, it's really easy. Okay, so now that we've got these like this, we're just going to line everything up. We're going to drill a hole in here. We're going to take a rivet, pop it in there with the rivet gun. Then we'll do each of these corners like that before we get ready to start doing the other piece. four corners put together, we're gonna grab the pre-cut metal that we know is square and line it up to make sure everything's square before we start riveting the rest together. Let's get it. Now that we got that in, we'll tack this all down. That way it's held in place. Flip it over, get the middle piece, and then we'll flip it back and then tack the middle one. Sound good? Mm-hmm. We're gonna do them about 8 to 10 inches apart, 4 or 5 across this. Okay, so we have all 4 walls built. 3 of them are laid down, as you can see right here. We don't have them hooked together yet. We're gonna go ahead and hook these together. We're gonna rivet them together and just how they're sitting. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the top on, rivet it down. Then we're gonna lift it up onto here and put the door together. So let's get to it. Across the top, there's some old rivets and stuff in here. We just want to make sure it's nice and smooth so the other one lays on it real easy. Good seeing you though, bud.
I'll holler about you about those wheels though. It'll probably be a couple months till I get them done, but I'm definitely gonna need them done for sure.
Yeah, just
there ain't no doubt. Yeah.
We'll kill them out.
All right,
I'm not gonna mix it up. Good.
I'll tell you.
Yep, take it, bud. What's up, everybody? We are back. Sorry, we ran out of room on the SD card. It is the next day, but what we're doing right now is we are finishing attaching the roof. We got the 3 walls built. We do have the roof attached and riveted down some, but we want to put more rivets in it. Then we're gonna put this brace as well as another brace or 2 on it. We'll lift this part up onto here, get it riveted down, and then we'll go ahead and attach the door, and it'll be ready to rip, rock, and roll. Let's do this. our oven strong. We've got all of this attached. We are going to do some flashing around the inside of this to help keep in some of the heat. But right now, it's time to put on the door. Let's get it done. Guess what? We've got everything just about finished. We have a few little touch-ups and some insulation to put in. Here comes the first time opening the door, all as one piece. Now granted, it doesn't look the best, but all it has to do is function and function well. Well, I didn't even realize you were still in there.
What's up?
So here it is. We just need to throw some insulation on it. We are going to get another tadpole gasket to go around. As you can tell,
dang!
It's definitely sturdy. You know, I'm like 160 pounds. One of the upgrades we have is for our heater vent. We're going to throw this piece on it. We are going to do some modifications to it. But this way, it'll help blow the air all over. And our fan on our heater is adjustable, so we can add more fan if we want to make sure that the heat gets dispersed and swirls around in there. We do still have a vent that we had always put in there. It's a 2-inch vent, but we don't always keep it open. It kind of flaps open a little bit itself. We got to get ready to get this sealed up and outgas some pieces. Well, stick around because we're going to give you a final look at the oven once we get the insulation in.